Imagine I have a beautiful tree that's filled with oranges, and I ask myself, what is the orange made of? Well, I want to look deeply inside the orange, so I magnify it and I magnify it again. And if I keep on doing it, sooner or later, I begin to see molecules coming to view. But molecules are not the end of the story. I can enlarge them, and if I make them big enough, I begin to see atoms. Atoms are not the end of the story either, because we have electrons zooming around the nucleus, mostly empty space in the atom. Inside, we see the nucleus. So if I grab that and magnify it, I see that the nucleus is itself made of particles, neutrons, and protons. If I grab one of the neutrons and magnify it, I find yet further particles, little tiny quarks inside. Now that is where the conventional ideas stop. String theory comes along and suggests that inside these particles there is something else. So if I take a little quark and I magnify it, string theory says I'll find a little tiny filament. A little filament of energy. A little string. And just like the string on a violin, I pluck it and it vibrates. The little strings in string theory vibrate. They don't produce musical notes. They produce the particles themselves. A quark is nothing but a string vibrating in one pattern. An electron is nothing but a string vibrating in a different pattern. Neutrino nothing but a string vibrating in a different pattern. So if I take all of this back together, I have my ordinary orange. Inside the orange or any other piece of matter is nothing, but a dancing, vibrating cosmic symphony of strings.